हाय। तो द स्टोरी ये है कि मैं न्यूयॉर्क से बॉम्बे रिटर्न आ रही थी। एंड हम लोग ने टेक ऑफ करने के बाद आई थिंक 6 to 7 hours के बाद देर वॉज वन पैसेंजर who was in my zone. And hi Roshan, hello everyone. So there was one passenger in my zone. um, I think during first service मैंने I was having conversation with that passenger. Everything was good, everything was fine. And then second service के time again I went to that passenger. I was serving food to everyone. We served beverage and food to everyone, and then I was continue talking to everyone and all that. And suddenly I saw that the same passenger who was talking to me in earlier sector, suddenly ना उन्होंने खाना लिया मेरे से, and the food was food was totally spill out on his body and everywhere. So I felt it's something, there is something wrong. So मैं गई वो पैसेंजर के पास, and then I saw कि उन्होंने खाना तो खाया था, he was falling asleep or something like that. So I was just trying to wake him up कि sir, are you fine, are you alright, talk to me. So he was not responding. तो मैंने देखा that the passenger is not fine. Okay, hi Atul, hello everyone. Passenger is not fine. Suddenly I realized that there is something wrong. I think I have to taken care of that passenger. So I left, like I stopped my service, and in opposite zone there was my colleague. So I called her. I said, just go and um, one second. So I went to that passenger and मैंने मेरी colleague को बोला, you just go and call everyone because I think the passenger is not really well. तो हमने passenger बोला, and then we did the announcement on board that we require doctor and we required any nurse if there. And then we took that passenger in aisle, and then we continue with our procedures and everything. So the thing is, hi, hello everyone. So the thing is, the passenger was not responding. He was not, he was unconscious. So luckily, the doctor came, the nurse came, and everybody was there. And during that 2 to 3 minutes, we opened the first aid kit, we opened medical kit, the doctors came, and we started giving him treatment. So somehow there was this ICU nurse was there. So she gave CPR, and then within 5 to 10 seconds, the passenger revived. So and then I mean, this was an experience for me for the first time that when I went to that passenger, he was fine in previous service, and when I went again, he was not fine. So I was really scared because he was my passenger. And then I literally, like, I had tears because जब मैं वो passenger से बात कर रही थी, he was fine, and suddenly I saw that he's not responding. Luckily there was doctors on board, there was nurses on board. We gave the treatment on time, and then we took a call, and then we informed the captain, and then we have to diverted the flight. हमें emergency landing करना पड़ा. फिर हम लोग, there is a out station which is by the name of Gander. तो हम लोग ने गेंडर एयरपोर्ट पे हम लोग ने डिसीजन लेके, कैप्टन ने, वी लैंडेड ओवर देयर, एंड देन पैरामेडिक केम, डॉक्टर्स केम. The passenger started talking to us, but then he was not fine. So according to the doctor, I think there was some issues with him, with the health issues or something. And the all passengers were so helpful, they were helping us, and we took that passenger to the business class, and then we landed. And then हम लोग का ड्यूटी पीरियड भी खत्म हो चुका था, but then we took permission from DGCA, and then like that's how it was going on. And it was, I mean, it's been 9 years for me, but then this was something which I'll never forget. Shruti, I'm trying to accept your request, but somehow it's not getting accepted. Accept किया मैंने. तो फिर डॉक्टर्स आए, उनको लेके गए, एंड देन हम लोग ने फ्यूलिंग वापस किया, एंड देन वी टुक ऑफ, एंड देन अगेन वी केम बैक टू बॉम्बे. सो इट वाज फ्रॉम कनाडा टू बॉम्बे, इट वाज 12 hours. So total duty period was somewhere around 20, not exactly 20, to 30 hours. So we were in flight and we did that flight. And like I mean, by God grace, that passenger was fine. And then the doctors and everybody was there who were appreciated to us, because जब अगर मैं नहीं जाती, अगर मेरे को ये नहीं समझता, मतलब हम भी इंसान हैं यार, हमें नहीं समझ में आता. सो मे बी ऐसा होता कि शायद मैं मे बी स्लीपिंग एंड मैं ऐसे बोल के चली जाती. बट देन like matlab the moral of the story, the training department gave us training. It's because of this reason कि अगर कल जाके on board कभी भी कुछ होता है तो we should be prepared, and we should take care of our passengers. So um like it's there, we are not there just for the glamour and just to serve everyone. We are there because we got trained